YouTube, Brandon Lechuga here. Thought I'd show you a quick video on the Nitro. As you know, if you follow the channel, I'm building it. The wheels, the tires, and the brake calipers have been done so far. But today I'm working on the interior because these seats are filthy. As you can see, I've tried cleaning them. I've tried all sorts of different things. These are actually the better out of the 5. So what we're doing today is painting them. And I just wanted to make a quick video and some of the things I experienced with this stuff, and I guess give you a heads up on what to do. So the first seat I did was this one. It turned out pretty good. It's still, you can still see some of the dirt, like it's filthy like that. It was worse than that one. That one's still got a little bit of drying to do, as you can see. So these have been drying for probably like an hour now. I just want to show you so you can see right there it's blue, right here's white. So it's coming off still. So you need to let it dry for 4 hours. This is the paint I'm using. I suggest getting specific fabric paint. Just a hint, or just like some advice. I mean, it says right here that it can be used on paper and fabric. Use on and paper and fabric, and wooden are on there. So I'm gonna let this dry for probably like 12-15 hours before I touch it again. But I just want to show you how I'm painting it really fast. So I'm going to set this camera down for a second. I'm going to put on a glove that I've been using to spread the paint after you spray it. Sorry about that. So I just wanted to actually show you. You can see my hand's not blue. If I touch it, it's not coming up. But if you rub it and stuff, it comes off. So what you're going to do is, first off, the proper way to do this, remove the seats. Don't do it the way I'm doing it. Actually, I need to hit this with some touch-up really fast. Rub it in. Don't do it the way I'm doing it. The most effective way would be to remove the seats and spray them outside of the car. But this is a work vehicle. This car is scratched. The rubber has been ripped off. All this is scratched and stuff, so it's really not that great of a vehicle. I mean, it's still a nice car, but it's not a daily driver. Well, it is a daily driver, but it's not one of my nice cars. It's not like one of my only cars. And I have the truck and the Challenger. Over there is the GTR. My wife has her Mini Coupe, so we have plenty of cars. This is just one I use for work. As you can see, it's just beat up. So first off, like I was saying, take the seats out of the car and do it that way. Do it the proper way. But if you don't want to do it that way, or if you don't care and you have a work vehicle and this is just something you're looking to do, you can just tape it off like I did. Tape it off as good as you can, and then just start spraying. So I open the window. So what you're going to do is start spraying light coats. See, I'm just doing light coats. You're going to want to do a few of them. So I'm going to do this the whole way down. I don't know if I can get it all recorded. I'm running kind of low. I have to probably bust open the other can. Ooh, the wind's picking up a little bit. I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to wait a minute. So anyways, just do it like this. I'm going to just need to do this part because I'm going to have to use both hands for the bottom seat. But so then what you're going to do, you'll take a glove or something and rub it in, because while you let it dry, you want to work it into the fabric so it dries not as hard. You don't want your fabric to be hard, so it's a little bit firm compared to that. So it'll loosen over time, but again, I'm just rubbing it in, letting it absorb, and then just do again light coats, light coats. So from the first coat, you can see it's already pretty good. But just do this the whole way through, and yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. I'm gonna keep spraying this out, and then I'm sure with the build you'll see it the rest of the way. But that's what you want to do. So get your paint, shake it up really well, tape everything off. If you don't take the seats out, do one at a time after you spray it. rub it down, spread the paint evenly, try to get the spread even. The best way to use this is like shower or bath scrubber. Works pretty good. It spreads the paint evenly. You can see it turned out pretty good. Like these seats turned out pretty good, not too bad. This is probably the better one of the two. That one's kind of like, well, that's a stain right there. That big spot's still a stain, so it didn't cover up completely. You can even see a stain right here, so I might do another coat of this over there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Again, my biggest suggestion would probably get the correct fabric paint and make sure it's only for fabric or cloth or whatever. This paint did say fabric, but I'm kind of worried that it's going to come up. So when you go like that, you can see it's kind of scraping off the knuckles, or it comes off. So I'm going to let it dry and maybe I'll make another video. But this is Brandon Lechuga. I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't checked out my channel, check it out, like, subscribe, and thank you. Have a good day.